Hey everyone, I am Tanuja and welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Tanu. So in this video we are gonna learn some conjunction word and we will see what are their meanings and how we can use them. So let's get into the video. So first of all, what is conjunction? So conjunction is basically a word that is used to connect words, phrases or clauses in a sentence. So here are some common conjunction with their meaning and example. Either or. It represents a choice between two options. For example, you can have either cake or ice cream. So you have two options here like cake or ice cream. या तो ये या तो ये. Next one is neither nor. It expresses a negation for two options. Example, neither the cat nor the dog is in the house. It means ना तो ये ना तो वो. Next one is however. It shows a contrast or a shift in thought or basically halaki. For example, she wanted to go, however she had to stay home. Next one is therefore. It indicates a conclusion or result. For example, he studied hard, therefore he passed the exam. When, it means jab. It indicates a point in time. For example, I will call you when I get home. While, it means something happening simultaneously. For example, she read a book while waiting for her friend. Next one is unless. It implies an exception to a condition. For example, you won't succeed unless you work hard. Next one is so that. It indicates the purpose or intention. For example, she studied hard so that she could pass the test. Next one is in order to. It expresses the purpose or goal. For example, he saved money in order to buy a new car. Although, it means halanki. It indicates a contrast between two clauses. For example, although it was raining, they went for a walk. Next one is because. It shows cause or effect. For example, she stayed home because she was not feeling well. Next one is if. It introduces a condition. For example, I will come to the party if I have time. Next one is where. It specifies a location. For example, the park is where we will meet. Next one is as, jaisa, comparing one thing to another. For example, she loves all kind of music as I do. Next, last one is until, up to the time or event mentioned. Jab tak. For example, I waited until it got dark. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys for